Energy saving. Use this function to enable or disable energy saving mode. When enabled, the function reduces energy consumption in compliance with European regulations. To disable or enable energy saving mode, proceed as follows. Press the Menu ESC button to enter the menu. Press the hot milk or latte button until energy saving is displayed. Press the OK button. Disable or enable is displayed. Press the OK button to disable or enable energy saving mode. Then press the Menu ESC button to exit the menu. When the function is enabled, if the machine is not used for about a minute, energy saving is displayed.